Hi, this is Bill for SparkyChannel.com, and it's house renovation time. So today we're going to be installing a garage door bottom, and this is a garage door bottom. I bought it from Amazon.com, and this is a T-type. It goes like this, it installs like this. These T areas go into two slots on the door, and these areas are 5/16 of an inch on my door. Some doors have 1/4 of an inch T's. So you have to carefully measure, get a piece of your old bottom of the door and measure this area right here to see if it's 1/4 or 5/16. This is 5/16. So it goes in like that. The smooth part goes in this area. The part with the lines goes down. This garage door bottom is 9 feet. And my garage door is 8 feet, so I'm going to have a little left over. And this particular one is made by Clopay, which is a very big manufacturer of garage doors. Put your garage door at a comfortable height for you to work at. Sometimes you'll just see like one screw holding the garage door bottom on. And in this case, I got 2 screws and a piece of metal. So I'm just going to pop it off. This garage door bottoms is in really bad shape. Another piece of it. Hopefully your garage door bottom seal, after you take off a couple screws, will just come right off and won't be any big problem, but mine came out in a lot of pieces. But regardless, it's off. And we're ready to go for the next step. And the next step is getting this track ready. You see, there's some spots where it's really going to stick, like right here. And the 2 tools I'm really going to use are a big screwdriver and a file. And I'm just going to make sure this is cleaned out. Like right here's a spot. Okay. I don't think you're going to get it perfect, but get it as good as you can. This track looks to be in a lot better shape right here. So these 2 tracks got to get cleaned out and made so that your new seal will slide right in there. Most of the problems seem to be at the ends right here. After you get them cleaned out pretty well, I'd give them a spray with some silicone spray, especially at the ends. Also make sure these screws are tight. There's several of these screws and some of them were loose, so I tightened them up. That seemed to help quite a bit. I added one too. Okay, so now we've got the door seal bottom in the U like this, and I'm going to get it started. And I'm going to get it started in the slot. Now slide your bottom seal into the track. The better shape your track is in, the easier this step is going to be. Okay, I'm feeding the bottom with one hand and pulling it with the other. It's coming along quite nicely. There we go. There we go. It's good if you have a helper, but if you don't, you can do it. It's just take a little longer. Not a problem. And I'll come down to this end, give it a tug. So if you only have one person, it's a combination of pushing and pulling. There we go. I gave it a nice pull on the other end. Now I'm going to do the pushing. I'm going to take the end of the garage door bottom and I'm going to cut it about 2 inches from the end of the garage door. Then I'm just going to take it and fold it in on itself and then stuff it in like that. Once again, I'm going to cut this about 2 inches from the edge of the door. Then I'm going to fold it in on itself just like that. I'm going to put a screw on each end to just hold it in place. Okay, let's see how she works. Woohoo! Okay, it seals real nicely on this end, seals nicely in the middle. Nice new seal. That's excellent. I'll put links in my video description for the Clopay garage door bottom weather seal, which is the T style, 3 3/4 inch by 5/16 inch, and I'll put links for the 9-foot, the 16-foot, and the 18-foot styles. I'll put a link for the Bowser garage door seals, which is U-shaped, plus they give you an O-ring combination. So they're extra heavy duty, and they are 1/4 inch T-style in the 10-foot, 16-foot, and 20-foot lengths. And I'll put a link for the overhead door 16-foot P-style weather seal. That's strictly for overhead door brand doors. I'll put a link for the DeWalt Atomic Drill and Driver set. I'll put a link for WD-40 silicone spray, which honestly makes this job so much easier. A little silicone spray, whatever brand you have, but WD-40 makes it now, silicone spray. So I'll put a link for that. And I'll put a link for Blaster garage door lubricant, which is just for regular garage door maintenance. Thank you. I hope this video was helpful. Sure, the kitchen needs a little work. Sure, there's a bunch of junk all over the place. Sure, the window treatments are shot. You can do it. Thanks for watching.